Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to take the DMV knowledge test online. So if your state's DMV offers an online knowledge test, then just follow along. First, visit your state's official DMV website, then sign into your existing DMV account or create one if you're a new applicant. Then check whether your state allows online knowledge testing, since availability varies depending on where you live. And if you're eligible, complete any identity verification steps required by the DMV. Next, schedule your online test if an appointment is needed. And before starting, you need to make sure you're using a supported computer or mobile device with a stable internet connection. Some states may also require a webcam or microphone for online monitoring. And when it's time for your test, log in a few minutes early and carefully follow the instructions provided on screen. You need to read each question before selecting your answer. And once you've finished, submit your test and wait for your results. If you pass, the DMV will provide the next steps for obtaining your learner's permit or driver's license. So that was how to take the DMV knowledge test online. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.